Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the EKSA EKSA H1 Bluetooth headset with microphone up to 57 hours and 30-meter range. That's a lot. These are mono personal computer headphones with AI noise cancelling mic. It's a wireless chat headset for car and truck driver, office worker, home office guys and girls, and the birth and call center operator as well. It's special because there are only one speaker on it. That means you can have a good feeling about your halo around you. You can hear everything with the other ear, which is not covered by this headset. This is safer at work. And 30-meter range and Bluetooth 5.0 is really good. The Bluetooth 5.0 Qualcomm chip ensures 30 meters of stable connection. Without obstacles, the wireless headset can hold maximum 50 meters connection. And this is a lot. Designed for outdoor use for driver, home office guys as well. AI deep learning noise cancel microphone. Our artificial intelligent ELC chip of the headset can identify our voice and noise. Almost 99.6% noise is reduced and our voice is transmitted loud and clear. It's suited for people who works in a noisy environment. And 1800 minutes of talk time. And this in only 1.5 hours of recharging time. The 500 mAh battery can be fully charged in only 1.5 hours, while the mono over-ear Bluetooth headset allows 1800 minutes of talk time or 57 hours of music time. That's cool. And it's comfortable and double-sided wearing. 140-gram ultra-light adjustable headband, soft over-the-ear pads with fox leather contribute to wearing the comfort. Thanks to the 270 degrees rotation mic arm, we can wear the headphone on left and right side. This is equipped with multifunction button, mute, switch and volume control. It makes easy control of calls for our car or truck drivers at work with the H1 wireless headset. Bluetooth version 5.0. Effective wireless range 30 meters, that's on 99 feet. The music time will be 57 hours with 70% volume. The talk time 30 hours with 70% of volume. The charging time is approximately 1.5 hours. The driver diameter 40 millimeter. The impedance is 32 ohm and the sensitivity is 114 decibel. The frequency is 20 Hz up to 20 kHz. The diameter is 2.7 to 1.85 millimeter. The sensitivity of the microphone is minus 25 decibel. The frequency 100 Hz up to 10 kHz. The impedance 2.2 kilo ohm. The polar pattern is omnidirectional, and the microphone comes with ELC, environment noise cancelling. Wow, that's cool. We have a carry pouch in the box too, and this is really cool. On the headset itself, we have an AI ENC microphone on the top side, near our mouth. A Type-C charging port to full charge this device by using our, for example, smartphone AC adapter, or a computer, a laptop, a power bank, what you like. We have a volume plus button for volume up, a Bluetooth indicator light, around the MFB. The MFB is the multifunction button, a volume down button to make the volume and the noise a little bit down, baby. Then the microphone mute button is on the center of our headset. There we can switch it on or off the microphone. And the charging indicator LED on the nearly bottom side. It's really easy. We have the multifunction button. We press for 30 seconds, we turn it on or off. We click it once for pause and play. We click it three times. Voice assistant for Siri voice assistant, for example, too. That's cool. If we pair this device with our smartphone, for example, we can use the voice assistant. Then the volume button. To click it once, make plus or minus. Easy. Press for 2 seconds to make the next or previous track. If we are going to control the microphone, that's easy. Click on the mic on and off button. We have a call function. For example, a call is coming in. Then we click once and we answer it. Really cool. We click again, we hang up. We press for 2 seconds, we reject. Okay, then of course we can make it radial. That means Bluetooth is radial, the last call number. Job's done. Here we make a double click. And audio switching, for example, that during a call we can switch the audio device. Press for 2 seconds on the multifunction button, and we have a new call, for example, on the phone. If or while we are talking to one, there comes a number, another call, we can answer it. For example, answer a new call and hang up the queue and call. Double once, okay, one click. And a new call comes, we can make a double click. Then we can switch between the 2 calls. Yes, and if we go to press for 2 seconds, we go to another. That's easy, isn't it? We can switch between 2 calls with that device here, and we do not need our smartphone. So Bluetooth pairing is really easy. We turn on the headset. The Bluetooth indicator flash alternately in red and blue, indicating that the headset is in pairing status. We turn on the Bluetooth of the device and select the EKSA H1. After successful connection, the LED flash slowly in the blue light, and we will hear the voice prompt, "Your headset is connected, baby." Just that. We can make a dual pairing with that. After successfully connecting the headset to device number A, we turn off the Bluetooth device number A. The headset Bluetooth indicator flash in red and blue alternately to enter the pairing state, because device number A is shut off. We turn on device number B. We search and connect EKF8H1 like before with device number A. So now device number B is connected. Then we turn on the Bluetooth A device to connect with EKSA H1 again. After connecting the EKS1 and the device A and B are the connected state simultaneously. Cool. If we're going to make a reset, we use the underconnected pairing state, press the MFB and the volume for 6 seconds simultaneously under the LED lights blue and red, simultaneous for 1 second. The indicating the pairing information is cleared. If we're going to charging that device, when the battery is less than 10%, the headset will voice prompt battery low every 3 minutes. So we have to charge it as soon as possible. When the EKSA H1 is not in use, please charge it at least 1 time every 2 months. And please sure, the original charging cable for charging voltage can exceed 5 volts. So you can see, it's a multifunction thing here for your work day. This is the really awesome EKSA H1 Bluetooth headset with microphone, up to 57 hours of playtime, and 30 meter range, up to 50. It's a mono PC headphone with AI noise cancelling microphone. Rather chat headset for car and truck driver, office worker, home office worker, and call center agents. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.